Whoa, 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 whoa. Wake up with the morning sun, dirt on hands, but the day's begun. Tiny seeds in a hopeful heart. Every garden's a brand new start. From the soil to the sky so blue, watch the magic grow.
Today, we're going to learn how to propagate a ZZ plant, also known as Zamioculcas zamiifolia.
Planting dreams and watching them grow, from little sprouts to blooming things. Nature teaches us all.
If you want to grow more plants from just one, this step-by-step guide will show you 3 easy methods.
Everything, welcome to the joy of gardening. Rain or shine, we learn and try.
The first method is leaf cutting.
Let the flowers reach for the sky. One small leaf, one day.
Cut a healthy leaf close to the stem using clean scissors.
Harvest feels so divine. This is the joy of gardening.
Let the cut end dry for a few hours to prevent rot.
With every bloom our hearts will sing. In the greenest place we know.
You can place the leaf in water, making sure only the bottom part is submerged.
Welcome to the joy of gardening. So grab a pot, let your worries fade. Life grows beautifully.
Or, you can plant it directly into well-draining soil.
This is the joy of gardening. Oh, 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 oh.
Keep it in bright, indirect light. If you're using water, change it once a week. Roots and small rhizomes may start forming in 4 to 8 weeks. ZZ plants grow slowly, so patience is important. The second method is stem cutting.
Dirt on hands, but the day.
Cut a full stem from the base of the plant.
Tiny seeds in a hopeful heart. Every garden.
Place the stem in water or plant it directly into soil.
From the soil to the sky so blue.
If planting in soil, keep it lightly moist but never soggy. Overwatering can cause root rot.
Planting dreams and
In about 3 to 6 weeks, roots should begin to form.
from little sprouts to blooming things. Nature teaches us all we know.
The fastest method is division. This is best done during repotting. Remove the plant carefully from its pot.
Of gardening. Rain or shine, we learn and try. Let the flowers reach for the sky.
You will see thick, potato-like rhizomes under the soil. Gently separate the rhizomes, making sure each section has roots and stems attached.
This is the joy of gardening. Planting love in the earth below. With every bloom our hearts will sing. In the greenest place we know. Slow down, breathe in, feel everything.
Plant each division into a new pot with fresh, well-draining soil.
Gardening. Planting dreams and watching them grow, from little sprouts to blooming things. Nature teaches us all we know. Slow down, breathe in, feel everything.
This method gives you an instant mature plant.
The joy of gardening. Rain or shine, we learn and try. Let the flowers reach for the sky. One small leaf, one day at a time. Every harvest feels so divine. This is the joy of God.
After propagation, place your ZZ plants in bright, indirect light. Allow the soil to dry between watering. Always use pots with drainage holes. Remember, ZZ plants are drought tolerant and grow slowly. Avoid overwatering, and give them time to establish.
Feel everything. Welcome to the joy of gardening.
And that's how you propagate a ZZ plant using leaf cuttings, stem cuttings, or division. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more plant care tips.
The joy of gardening. Oh, oh, oh.